5-minute-a-day Japanese weight loss method can help you get rid of that pesky belly fat in just 1 week. This method is easy and has been proven effective at bringing great results in a very short period of time. Belly fat is the most difficult fat to lose. It looks unsightly and can ruin your confidence. No matter what you try to do, it's very difficult to get it to fade away. No need to feel helpless though. This technique has been scientifically proven to help you accomplish your weight loss goal. A Japanese actor known as Miki Ryusuke discovered a technique to lose weight fast. He managed to lose 28.7 pounds and 4.7 inches from his waist in just a few weeks. He stumbled upon this method and its effectiveness when it was prescribed to him as a back pain relief exercise. It all rests upon altering and accelerating the fat metabolism of your body. Fat is made up of oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. When the oxygen we breathe reaches these fat molecules, it breaks them down into carbon dioxide and water. The blood then picks up the carbon dioxide and returns it to the lungs to be exhaled. Therefore, the more oxygen our body uses, the more fat we will burn. Let's take a look at the method. Stand upright and tighten your glute muscles. Put one foot in front of your body, placing most of your weight on your back foot. Then, breathe in for 3 seconds while simultaneously raising your hands in the air above your head. As you exhale, use your whole body to push the air out of your lungs, forcing most of the air out during the first part of the exhale. Make sure you tighten up your entire body when you push the air out. Your exhale should last 7 seconds. The difficulty is in continuing to push when you've run out of air to exhale. Do this around 6 times each. It should take about 1 minute. Repeat the process at least twice every day. It may sound and look simple, but you will definitely start to feel the difference after the first few sessions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button and drop a question or comment down below. Thank you once again.
Japanese health experts believe it's possible to lose weight with the Japanese long breath weight loss method developed by Mr. Miki. By doing these exercises, people are claiming that they're losing weight. Here's how this method works.
First, stand and slightly cross your legs. Clench your buttocks. Set 90% of your body weight on your back foot. Lean slightly backward, keeping a straight back. Inhale for 3 seconds, then exhale very hard, very slowly for 7 seconds. Use all of your body muscles when you exhale. That's the key to training your inner muscles.
Here are the 3 benefits you get from this.
Long breath trains the transverse abdominal muscles, resulting in a flat lower ab. Long breath uses the whole body, stimulating inner muscles which stabilize bone and increase muscle temperature. The increase in inner body temperature helps reduce visceral fat. You don't have to scream like this, I was just trying to emphasize. Correct inhaling and inhaling with diaphragm breathing stimulates internal organs, improves blood circulation, and increases metabolism.
The most important takeaway from this is to learn how to breathe correctly. Babies are born breathing deeply, but our breathing gets shallower with age.